Hi everyone and welcome to Portofino. Portofino seems the picture of the perfect port city, with a hill of olive groves and small vineyards in its background. Portofino was known as the Dolphin's harbor during the Roman era. The Benedictines established a monastery in the 1400s. Now only 500 or so people reside in Portofino, like fishing families and shop owners. This picturesque town is an attraction for celebrities. What are the best things to do in Portofino? The medieval castle, Castello Brown, on the top of the hill with a charming view over the Gulf of Portofino. Church of San Giorgio lies almost in the center of the promontory. About footpaths, I recommend the trail from Portofino to the Abbey of San Fruttuoso in the Portofino National Park, 2 hours of walking. Abbey of San Fruttuoso was built in the 11th century and is situated on the other side of the peninsula. Here you can find a nice beach and clear waters. Portofino can be reached by ferry from Rapallo, Camogli, Cinque Terre and Genoa. The closest train station is in Santa Margherita. Don't forget to subscribe to my travel channel.